Hello and welcome to class. My name is Allie. This is going to be a short and sweet bedtime yoga series, my go-to poses for calming down after a stressful day and preparing your body and mind for a really good night's rest. I encourage you to go and grab a pillow because we will be using it for class. Meet me in child's pose. Sink your hips over your heels, bow your head forward. Let your arms relax comfortably down on the mat. Start to breathe really slowly, really smoothly. In through the nose. You can count to 2 or 3 on the way in. Hold and then release. Super long and smooth exhale. Take another deep breath in. Full breath out. Feeling the weight of your hips over your heels. Feeling the earth beneath you support your body. Under your forehead, feeling a soft opening across your chest, your hips, your low back. Inhale, lift your head, slide your knees back slightly. Right away, grab the pillow. Place it right on your thighs and let your belly rest on the pillow as you sink your forehead back down into the floor. With lifted hips, feel a deeper stretch across your chest, your armpits, slight tilt in your tailbone. Inhale, keep your pillow handy and slide it out of the way. Cat-cow, inhale, let your belly lower, send your heart forward. Exhale, press through your hands, draw your belly up and in, let your head release, cat pose. Inhale, pull your heart through the gates of your arms, tip your tailbone up, cow. Keep going at your pace. Exhale, cat, getting in touch with your breath. Feeling your body open and calm. Imagining that each movement is helping you to wash away the stress or tension that you've been holding in your body or your mind from your day. Stick with your cat-cow or start to shimmy your hips and shoulders towards one another, or create some circles with your rib cage, loosening everything up, exploring any tension or tightness in your body, breathing into every corner that you explore. Exhale, send your hips back. Reach your arms forward, keeping your head up. Inhale. Come to a modified plank just to lower down to your belly. Slide your hands back under your shoulders, your elbows point up. Inhale, lift your chest. Baby cobra. Exhale, lower your chest. Inhale, lift your chest. This time press into your hands. Come up a little higher. Pull your chest forward. Pull your shoulders back. Exhale, lower down. Come up onto your knees. Sit your legs down. Swing your legs around, grab your pillow. Finding our way into a seated forward fold. So placing your pillow long ways on your legs, right up against your hips, so you can rest your belly right down onto your pillow. Inhale, find length. Exhale, slide your hands down, reaching for your feet if it's available. Seeing if you can rest your torso down on your pillow, your head down. Anchoring your hips down into the mat. You can add a soft bend in your knees. Slow, full breaths here. With your head bowed, begin to think about surrendering and releasing. Releasing whatever you need to release. Inhale, sense of relaxation, a sense of calm. Exhale, that release, unclenching the tension or whatever it is you're holding onto, knowing that you don't need to focus on anything right now, anything but your breath. Inhale, roll your torso up. Think about one vertebrae stacking on top of the next as you rise back up. Slide your pillow off to the side. Scoot your hips forward. Bend your knees. Draw the soles of your feet together for cobbler's pose. Grab your feet, open them like a book. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, bring your elbows to the creases of your knees and bow your head forward. Inhale, roll up. Close your knees like a book. Place your hands behind your hips. Knock your knees to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale. Roll down to your back. Feel every vertebrae stamp down into the mat. Let your shoulders be heavy, resting down. Your hips resting in the earth. Draw your heels in closer to your body. Exhale, empty out. Inhale, lift your hips off the mat. Lift your middle spine. Rise up. Bridge pose. Keeping this nice and easy, nice and gentle. Don't push it too hard. One more inhale to lift your hips. Exhale, hold. Inhale, drive your hips up. Exhale, hips are last to lower down, upper spine, mid-back, low back, hips. Press your spine into the mat. Knock your knees together, reset. Take a look at where you have your pillow. Inhale, lift your hips up. Rest them on your pillow. Supported restorative bridge pose. Feel your weight down on your hips, opening across your lower back. Extend your legs long. Feel that release on your low back. Next, draw your feet back in. Slide the pillow up to your upper back, just beneath where you would have a bra strap. And then feel opening across the upper back for a modified fish pose. Breathe here. Release. Remove the pillow. Hug your knees into your chest. Feel the release in your hips as you roll on your low back side to side. Draw your knees out wide towards your armpits. Happy baby, kick your feet up towards your ceiling. Grab for the outer edges of your feet, your calf, or backs of your legs. See if you can draw your knees in closer to your armpits. Hold tight here or sway on your low back. You can also playfully kick one leg out and then the other. Half straddle, or even opening up into a full straddle. Once again, thinking about a release, a letting go, knowing that anything that's been weighing you down during the day can wait. Bringing the body to rest can signal to the mind that it's time to calm and quiet. Hug your knees back into your chest. Kick your feet up to the sky, legs up the wall or waterfall pose. If you have a wall nearby, you're free to rest your legs against the wall. It's a nice inversion for the legs, helping to reduce anxiety. Just embracing that feeling of weightlessness for your legs. Feeling a sense of settling down. Letting your shoulders completely relax into your mat, your chest, your face, noticing if you're clenching the muscles of your face. Drop your eyebrows, relax your jaw, cheeks. Sometimes we don't even notice the clenching and the tension. Exhale, release. Hug your knees, grab your pillow, place it in between your thighs. Bring your arms out to a T. If you have another pillow handy, place it right under your head. Draw that pillow into your thighs and rest down for a reclined spinal twist. Open your arms so your chest is open to the sky. Your knees are off to the right. Gentle twist. Embracing that sense of heaviness. Slowing the breath. If your mind starts to drift, guide it back to your breath. If it's more comfortable to you to cuddle up on your pillows, you can do that. And as you feel ready, transition to the other side, drawing your knees up, like you're moving through water. And then embrace stillness. As you're ready, come back up. Place the pillow under your knees, closing out with final Savasana. One hand to your heart, one hand to your belly, grounding yourself down with a sense of calm. If it's helpful to create a mantra, especially if you suffer from insomnia, struggling to calm down at night, it can be helpful to embrace a phrase. For me, that phrase is all is well. Even if it doesn't feel that way, when it's time to rest and you've ended your day, there's nothing left to do, all is well. I encourage you to stay here in Shavasana or take this Shavasana into your bed. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Good night.